How to increase Telegram download speed? So first of all, you have to check the internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. Then it will help us to increase the Telegram download speed. So first of all, you have to open Telegram application and select the video that you want to increase the download speed of. Then once you have selected the video, you just have to tap on three dots of the video. Then here we can see the option of forward. Simply you need to select this option and then you need to tap on the search icon at the top right corner of the screen and search for file to link bot. Once you open this bot, you need to forward that video. Once you forward this video, simply tap on the three dots again for this video, and here you can either choose to save to gallery or you can save to downloads. So let's select save to download, and then the video has already been saved to download. You can also tap on three dots and save to gallery as well. So after that, this will increase the Telegram download speed. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any queries related to any questions, then you can be free to question and comment on our comment section of this video. If you are new to our channel, subscribe it, hit the notification bell for more updates.